This is my drawing lesson, and all you'll need for this lesson are some bits of good, if possible, good strong paper, good quality paper, if possible, and an old book on Greek sculpture. And select a work that you think you'd like to draw and construct a volumetric drawing from this Roman sculpture or Greek sculpture, and they've usually been really well photographed in these books, and you can take note of tone and volume. You can work by cross-hatching and building up the darks and the lights that the camera's naturally settled on, and work up the volumes and the masses of this. And these are just diagrams. This is just working drawings. It's like an engineering drawing. It's nuts and bolts. You don't have to worry about beautiful lines or correct composition or whatever. You can grid your paper up and carefully work to any degree of realism or non-realism. It doesn't matter. But the thing to develop is a working knowledge of this figure, and you think of this as your model, your figure, and take it from there. You just keep drawing and drawing and drawing, and the things will just naturally evolve by putting the time in. And so I think if there's a trick to this, in inverted commas, it's the time factor, the slowly building up of knowledge, and what starts out as quite possibly an onerous task of doing this dry sort of drawing from a book, at a desk all by yourself, because of the limitations you've imposed on yourself. Pencil, paper, one diagram. The possibilities for invention become endless, and like in most classical art, the variations that the human beings come up with from a narrow and confined set of rules is in the end endless. There are endless variations, and there's always a new someone finds a new take on this project, and so limitations are your big advantage.